Hey, and welcome to our practice. We are so happy to have you as an addition to our family here at Wilson Orthodontics. We want you to know everything there is to know about the care and wear of your braces. Our goal is to help you understand and feel comfortable with the treatment process so that you may enjoy your experience here at Wilson Orthodontics. Now here's Nikki to tell you more.
Thanks, Dr. Wilson. We need your help in following these simple instructions to achieve a healthy, happy smile. Good luck, and we know you'll do great. Now let's get started. Okay, now that your braces are on, let's review your home care kit. In your kit, there are lots of dental hygiene items to help you with your home care. There is a toothbrush, floss threaders, a Proxabrush, wax, a food list, and a hygiene guide card. Let's begin with brushing. You will move your toothbrush in a circular motion and turn it in 3 different positions: the top of the braces, the bottom of the braces, and the front of the braces, spending at least 30 seconds in each position. Start by brushing down on top of the braces, placing enough pressure on the brush to get the tips of the bristles under the wire. Brush from one side to the other several times before you move on to the next angle. Next, brush up underneath the braces. Again, placing enough pressure on the brush to get the tips of the bristles underneath the wire. Brush from one side to the other several times before you move on to the next angle. And lastly, brush directly on top of the braces and wire, repeating this motion several times. Remember to gently brush the gum line too. That's where your teeth and gums meet, and doing that will keep your gums from getting swollen during treatment. Also, don't forget to brush your chewing surface and the back of your teeth. You will need to brush for at least 2 to 3 minutes each time in order to ensure that every surface is clean. We ask that you brush your teeth at least 3 times a day or after every meal. Be sure to ask us about our Oral-B hygiene kit that will make this process seamless for you. It's clinically proven to reduce the chances of white spots or decalcification of the teeth. Okay, now on to flossing. So let's review how to floss. When you have braces, you will need to thread your floss under the arch wire. To help you do that, you will use the floss threader. Start with approximately 18 inches of floss. Pull 4 to 5 inches of the floss through the loop at the end of the floss threader. Now thread the floss threader under the arch wire and gently go between the teeth, hugging the sides of each tooth. Remove the floss and continue around in between every tooth. Next is your Proxabrush. It should be used between the arch wire and the braces to help loosen food particles, remove plaque, and stimulate your gums. To use them, simply push the brush gently under the arch wire between the brackets. Now, if it's difficult to push the brush into an area, don't try to force it because you might accidentally break a bracket. So only use the Proxabrush in those areas where you can be sure and use it gently. Remember, we recommend that you visit your dentist 3 times a year while in braces, or once every 4 months. This will ensure that you haven't missed any spots while in orthodontic treatment. Okay, now let's talk about wax. As you are getting used to your braces, you may experience some sore spots on the inside of your cheeks and lips. If this happens, you can use orthodontic wax to cover the area that is bothering you. Simply pinch off a small piece of wax and soften it between your fingers and place over the area that is bothering you. You will want to remove any wax before eating and brushing. However, if you should accidentally swallow any wax, it's not harmful to you. As a normal part of your orthodontic treatment, you may experience a dull, achy sensation after getting your braces on, as well as after each adjustment appointment. You can take Motrin or Tylenol or whatever you normally take for a headache or muscle aches to relieve this discomfort. For any soreness from your braces rubbing on your cheeks, remember to use your wax, but you can also use warm salt water rinses. Just 2 tablespoons of salt dissolved in 1 cup warm water. You can also use oral gel to rub on the sore area to give you some temporary relief while you're getting used to your braces. In no time, you'll adjust to your new braces and soon feel as good as new. Accidents happen. If you should break a brace, band, or wire, save any braces and bring it into your next appointment. And be sure to call the office the next working day to schedule your repair appointment first before coming in. Okay, lastly, we need to talk about all the things you can't eat while you're in braces. It's sad, I know, but eating the wrong kinds of foods can cause damage to your braces, which will probably make your time in braces longer. We ask you to avoid hard, crunchy foods which can damage or break your braces. Avoid hard nuts, pretzels, Jolly Ranchers, meat on bones, and chewing ice or any foods like these. Be sure to cut up your hard fruits and veggies into small bite-sized pieces and place them in your mouth instead of biting into them. We also want you to avoid sticky, chewy foods like caramels, taffies, Skittles, Starburst, gummy bears, and of course, gum, or any foods like these. As mentioned, these types of foods can and will damage or break your braces, which can add time to your treatment, meaning you could end up having your braces on longer than estimated. Okay, now for the good news. There are lots of great treats that are okay to eat during your orthodontic treatment. Softer foods like plain chocolate bars, Reese's Cups, Hershey's Kisses, cakes, pies, and soft cookies, as well as any other food like these. Just remember that a lot of these treats are high in sugar and you need to brush good after you eat them. So that's it. Pretty simple, right? Just be careful and we know you'll do great. So there you go. That's it. Everything you'll need to help you through this exciting journey of orthodontics. Right, Dr. Wilson?
That's right, Nikki, and we know you'll do a great job and help us help you create that beautiful smile you've always wanted. Thank you so much for choosing us, and we can't wait to give you a smile that will last a lifetime. So long for now. Be sure to check out our other informative videos on our YouTube channel or our website, and we look forward to seeing you at your next appointment.